Hello YouTube world. BCB Fire Dragon tablets. They're quite good, but they're quite expensive. I worked it out. I got my piece of paper here. A pack of these, 6 of these, 27 grams each, cost about £5.48. So that's equivalent to 91p each. What we're going to try and do today is make our own fuel tablets for a fraction of the price of these. If you want to see what happens, stay tuned. So what we're going to make them with, we'll start with some of these cotton wool balls, some cheap candles. These cost me about £2, £1.99 for proper job, great shop. And we're also going to try some kitty litter. For those of you who think this is a bit crazy, what they are, if you don't know about these, is just wood pellets. So what we're going to do, we're going to fill up some ice cube tray molds that I've borrowed out the freezer, but don't tell anyone. We're going to put some of these in them, etc. Fill them up with wax, see what happens. And in the other, we're going to stuff in some cotton wool balls, fill it full of wax, and compare the two and see if we've got a viable fuel option. Right, let's get on with it. So now we've got our cotton wool balls and our ice cube tray, and we got our caliper pellets. Now what we need to do is break the wax up. Let's try 4 to start with. I guess you could chop these up, cut these up, grate these. I can't be bothered with that. I've got another way. Top tip, if you put your slab down, don't leave your saddle underneath it. Right, 4 of these. I'm not sure of the quantities, but we'll give it a go. Now to break them up. This probably wasn't my finest idea. Oh my goodness. It's out. Not to crush candles. Keep the wicks. They might come in handy for something. Let's keep going and see what happens. Ah, that's better. There you go. Oh, for goodness sake. Well, that's probably not the way to do this. But it was quick. Right, let's heat it up. Right, I couldn't quite decide which is the best way to heat this up. I didn't know whether to go for the Caldera cone or the speed stove. But just for the purposes of this, I think I'll go with the speed stove. For those of you who have not seen these before, just material in the bottom, a little grate on the top. Where is it? There he is. Put your fuel in. Gets absorbed in the material. There we go. That should be enough for now. Non-spill, so he says. Pretty much non-spill. I thought I'd get it going under the hobo stove. tin on top, and see how we get on with that. Let's do it. Anybody who's interested in one of these hobo stoves, I did a video on this, and I'll put a link in the description below. If it's any use to you, feel free to have a look. Right, let's get that on there. I get me snow in there, what looks like snow. Start melting them up. I've seen things like this and people put them in a double water bowl and all the rest. I just can't be bothered with it. Just throw it in there and see what happens. If it turns into a smouldering inferno, you know not to do it this way. It's not messy at all. That was just the right amount. Might have a problem lighting these. That was a bit of effort. Finally got there. I guess we've now found out why people don't make these with wood pellets. That's interesting. As you can see, that's a really nice controlled burn, whereas the cotton wool is rather all over the place.